16029 is an HF disability room that has recently been completely gutted. When you first walk in on the left, they have these shelves, the glasses, and some spoons and some pretty area. Also underneath it is a large countertop where you can store knickknacks when you first walk in. Above the counter is a cabinet that holds a set of 3 dishes, plates, napkins, whatever, and a safe where you can store your valuables. On the counter, they have given you a very nice set of Nespresso, coffee, tea, ice bucket, the whole thing. They also provide a cordless phone. This cordless phone, the Haven guests can take all around the ship and use as a way of communicating between one phone and one room. They've also got this weird garbage can that I really can't tell you why it's there. And next to it is a cabinet where you've got 2 shelves can store things. You also, because it's disability, have the low key holder and the punch button. Below the coffee service is your mini fridge. We asked them to clean it out and only provide a pitcher of water and tea for us. Next, you'll find your armoire with your life jackets. Your rail for clothes is split, one high and one low. You've got a couple cubbies. Then you have your robes, your umbrella. Your tray for your shoes actually pulls out. Just past the armoire is a lighted mirror, a magna mirror, and a very large counter with a stool underneath it. Next to it is also 6 drawers. One thing to note, the hairdryer is wired into the top left drawer. The cord is short, and I ended up needing my own instead. Then you've got your flat screen and a table and chair sitting area that has a nice view out onto the balcony. On the balcony, you're going to have 2 small chairs and a table. I like the balcony. I don't like the table and chairs now. Past the balcony is where you have the alcove. The couch is designed to sleep one so that you've got an area for someone else. One thing to note, there's no way to close the porthole from getting light, so we use some of our magnetic hooks and a beach towel to cover up the porthole so that we didn't have a big old glaring light all night long. Next, you'll have the newly renovated queen-size bed area of this room. They have put in mood lighting so you can change the lights above the bed. The linens are amazing. You also can tell the concierge what type of pillow you want. There's 3 choices. Under the bed is hollow so you can store your suitcases. Each side of the bed has a nightstand with a little drawer in it and USB plugs. The hanging light actually has a lot of different features of how you can make it light up the room. It's kind of nice. Then you have these weird sliding doors that open up into the bathroom. They allow you to see in and see out of the tub area, and as you'll see, the bathroom is extremely large. As per an ADA room, the bathroom is set up with many types of railings, high and low, many places. There's hooks, different places. They really design it to be functioning for anybody with mobility issues. The sink is outside of what I call the main bathroom area. It's a large mirror that's lighted. You have cubbies and shelves to the right, and underneath it you have the ability to store things, or you have ability to put in a wheelchair. Then you have what I call a hospital curtain that will swing around 3/4 of the area to provide a privacy area for the sink area or a changing area in the room, since the rest of the room is completely open. When you walk into the bathroom, there is a frosted door that has an opening on the bottom. It actually swings both ways. The bathroom itself is rather large, as you'd expect. You have to the left, you have a large soaking tub. It doesn't have jacuzzis in it, but it is a good sized tub and it's great to enjoy. Then you have your toilet area and your emergency pool if you ever need it. And then you have your great big shower. The soap and shampoo are on the walls. The shower head does come down. You have a curtain that swings around 3/4 of the sides. And then you have your flip down stool in your shower. This is not the end of our journey on the Epic, so click our faces so you'll catch our next video, and to continue on to see more descriptions of rooms and the ship that's been remodeled, click on one of these 2 videos.